Something for a while, dreaming about it, and then it finally arrived. That's exactly how I feel today, right? And we unboxing something truly special. That's the Coach Kisslock Frame Bag 16 in Crystal Signature Jacquard. There is something so magical about the anticipation, the careful packaging, the quiet excitement, and the promise of what's inside. It's a little ritual I never get tired of, right? And this bag has been on my wish list for a long time. The Crystal Signature Jacquard is absolutely beautiful. It has a soft shimmer, a subtle sparkle that catches the light so elegantly, and it feels both modern and timeless. Classic craftsmanship with a touch of glamour. As I open the box, I can really see the attention to details Coach is known for, right? And this isn't just a bag, it is an experience. And here it is. Card texture is even more stunning in person. The crystals are woven in so seamlessly, adding just the right amount of radiance without being too much. And it feels luxurious, well made, and surprisingly lightweight. This lock frame closure is such an iconic detail because that satisfying click when it opens and closes instantly speaks to the quality. It has a beautiful vintage inspired charm that I absolutely love. The size 16 is very perfect, not too big, not too small. Just right for everyday essential and especially for Africans that like Owambe. The main reason why I bought this bag. And the space fits your phone, your wallet, keys, and a very few small extras as well. It encourages you to carry just what you need. A little reminder that less can truly be more. I just love this bag because it feels like a small piece of joy, a reminder to treat yourself, to celebrate beautiful things, and to invest in peace that makes you feel confident and radiant. I'm so happy to finally have this bag, and I can't wait to create memories with it. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me. If you enjoyed this moment, don't forget to like and subscribe and join me for more. Thank you, everyone. I love you. And I love my bag too.